No strategy needed for subtraction. Kids, this is a really important strategy to learn because it will save you a lot of work. Because a lot of problems we do, we don't need to do a strategy. We can just write NSN and the answer. But you need to know what those kind of problems look like. Look at this first problem. I have 55 minus 44. Well, if I have 5 tens and 5 ones, can I easily subtract 4 tens and 4 ones? Absolutely. I can get rid of a 40 and a 4. So my answer would be 11. How about if I have 34? Can I easily subtract 21? Again, yes, I can, because there's 2 tens and 1 1. So I can easily write down 13. If I have 62, can I easily subtract 4 tens and 1 1? Again, yes, I can. So I take away 4 tens and 1 1, and I'm left with 21. Now look at this problem. I have 3 tens and 5 ones. Can I subtract 1 10 and 6 ones? No, I have a problem. I don't have 5 ones to take it away. So I have a problem. This one needs a strategy because there are only 5. Notice I have 5 up there and I need to subtract a 6. So this one would need a strategy. So I would need to take away the next 10 and put 4 back. And then I would have an answer of 19. All right, 54 minus 27. Well, can I take 7 ones away if I only have 4 ones? No, absolutely not. So again, this problem needs a strategy. And at this point, that would mean you would just use your place value drawings and take away 27's next 10, which is 30. And you would put 27's partner back, which is 3, for an answer of 27. All right. Notice these different kinds of problems. This one is an NSN. This is an NSN, which stands for no strategy needed. Notice the difference. The 50 is bigger than the 40. The 5 is bigger than the 4. The 30 is bigger than the 20. The 4 is bigger than the 1. Notice these two that need a strategy. Notice that 6 is larger than 5 and that 7 is larger than 4. So the difference is when my big digits are on the top, I don't need a strategy. If my big digits are on the bottom, I need a strategy. So look at these two problems. Which one is a no strategy needed? So look at each digit. Okay, this one is your no strategy needed. Why? Because 40 is bigger than 20. 8 is larger than 7. So my answer is 21. I don't even need to draw a picture proof. I can just solve by subtracting each column. 40 minus 20 is 20. 8 minus 7 is 1. Notice this one. I can't have an 8 subtract a 9. So that one needs a strategy. I'm just going to solve the one that needs no strategy. Okay, look at these two problems. Which one is a no strategy needed? And solve it. All right, hopefully you saw that this is no strategy needed. 10 minus 10 is 0. So since it's first, I don't need to write it. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 17 minus 15 is 2. Notice 4 subtract 7 is going to give me a negative number. So I'm just going to cross that problem out today. All right, look at these two problems. Which one is NSN? Correct, NSN. Because my big digit or my equal digit is on the top. So 50 minus 20 is 30. 5 subtract 5 equals 0. No strategy needed. Again, notice the bigger digit is on the bottom. So if I subtract a bigger digit, I'm going to get a negative number. Which of these two is a no strategy needed? Absolutely, NSN. I write NSN, and I can just 20 minus 10 is 10. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Again, my bigger digit is on the bottom, so that would give me a negative number. 12. All right, we have 27 minus 12 and 25 minus 17. Well, again, notice my bigger digits are on the top, so I can just subtract each column and write the answer. Bigger digit on the bottom, so I just cross it out today. All right, let's do some hundreds. Again, just check out the digits. Notice 400 is bigger than 200, but 50 is larger than 30, so I will cross that one out. 400 minus 10 is 300. 30 minus 20 is 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. Notice if it's an NSN, we can just subtract the columns going straight down. It's called column subtraction when it's NSN. All right, which of these does not need a strategy? Check out every digit in the columns. Right, this is the one. So I can subtract 500 minus 100 is 400. 50 minus 50 equals 0. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Notice big digit, problem. I need a strategy. The last one, notice big digits on the bottom. I need a strategy. Subtract 302. Great job with no strategy needed today. Make sure before you do all the work of picture proofs or whatever strategy you're working on that you look at the problem, and if the big digits are all on the top, just subtract going straight down.